To be prayed in the morning, Goddess Mother Saraswati. Dear students, good morning. Dear students, you are most welcome to YouTube channel named ML Kaushik. Here today I am taking your business letter. That is the last letter of the series of business letters. When there is order for anything and the particular order is supplied by the supplier as per terms and conditions of the trade, the payment is not made in time, then the supplier writes a letter requesting to clear dues, and this letter is called non-payment of dues. In this letter, at the top there will be letterhead, that is the address of the writer of the letter. After leaving one line, there will be date. Without leaving line, then there will be letter number. Leaving one line, then there will be address inside. After leaving one line, then there will be the subject, non-payment of dues. Leaving one line, then there will be the salutation. And from next line, without leaving any line, from the margin line, please refer your letter number ABC dated XYZ, placing order for books. As per your order which was placed by you, we supplied all the books to you in time. The books were also checked before packing. Due to this, you encased the season. But as per terms and conditions of the trade, the payment of the amount that was to be made within months, it is surprising that 2 months have passed, but our dues have not been cleared till today. Therefore, you are requested to clear the dues. If our dues are not cleared within 15 days, we will be compelled to knock the door of the court, and you will be responsible for the loss. Moreover, fair dealing is required, and we performed our duties. You are advised to perform your duty to clear the dues. After this main body, then we have to leave one line, and we have to write down yours faithfully, name along with signature. So this is the letter. We all have to know this letter may be for different articles. If the articles were supplied were washing machines, were refrigerators, were fans, were AC, were coolers, anything else. So dear students, you must know the style of writing the letter non-payment of dues. Thank you very much.